Hey, what's going on, guys? So I've had a lot of requests, or at least inquiries, about the snorkel, and if I'm willing to start making them or go into production. I've been debating it and trying to figure out if that's actually something I want to do. Maybe look at doing like a group buy, set it up for like a week or 2 week opening period, and do a group buy, and see what interest there really is. Currently, right now, it would be for the Xterras. I could probably open up 2 Frontiers. I would just need a donor truck to work on. But as far as pricing goes, it's looking at what these are as far as the stainless snorkels, the time goes into the material, and then just the effort for it. I will come up with a pricing that I feel is reasonable, and when I'm ready to launch, maybe that's when I'll talk about pricing. So what I've got, I have an AFE cold air intake, so mine isn't made for that. I've got a stock intake box. I could try to design the intake for that, and then I'll need a volant intake. So it would be the 3 options if you got an AFE, a volant, or a stock box to have, because they're all going to be a little bit different on how they hook up. So they would need to be built specifically for your truck in a sense. But the concept of all of this would be the same up until about right here. So I don't know. Give me your thoughts if you would be interested in, say, doing a group buy. Leave the group buy open for a 2 week period. And I'm going to be very upfront. It's probably a 3 to 4 week, maybe 5 week lead time once group buy would close, depending on how many orders are actually placed or what people are actually interested in. What I'm thinking about getting back into doing the fab work. So I haven't produced for a while, but maybe it's time to open shop up again, because looking at all my tools collect dust, it's kind of sad. So, and I know there's a ton of interest in these snorkels, so it's only going to be one option: raw. I'm not going to do powder coat, not going to do paint. You're going to get the option of raw, and I'm going to leave the welds just because I like the look. If you want them sanded out, I might make that an option. It's just more time. That's the thing. It's more time to get it taken care of. So maybe I'll make an option if you want them sanded out. It's probably going to be another $100 more, to be honest with you, just because it's time. And for me to be able to pump these out, it's a lot easier. So here's the option: '05 to 2015 Nissan Xterra stainless 4-inch snorkel. And we're talking 4-inch from the tip to the inlet. And it is solid the entire way 4-inch. It's none of these ones where it necks down from 4-inch to 2-inch and you got to worry about starvation of air. I know these engines pull a lot of air as is, but full 4-inch makes it nice. So full stainless 4-inch snorkel, fully TIG welded, back purged, mind you, so there's no cracking or sugaring going on behind the welds. So that's where a lot of the material is going to come from to back purge a full 4-inch tube. So let me know your thoughts. If you guys truly are interested, I will look at doing a group buy with a 2 week window and see who is all really interested.